Guys, if this is you, then you really need to watch this video. What we have today is some cables from Magtame, and we're going to get into it. Guys, we have these cables from Magtame. They are magnetic / data cables, and I can say for sure that they are very interesting cables. So these cables are really going to enhance your cable management. You know, they're self-coiling, they're magnetic, so you know you can put them together, you can stack them, and just overall I've had a lot of fun with them. You know, I thought maybe it's just a cable, but no, it's really turned into something that's very practical for us. I've used them at home, I've used them in my vehicle, I've been using them at work. I put them in my bag, I take them out. They're holding up really, really well. And I'm going to zoom in. This is the type A to type USB-C here. And, you know, you can see the ends of these. They're pretty heavy duty. They're pretty stout. You know, I've not had any issues plugging into my devices. I plugged them into my phones. I plugged them into my keyboard. I plugged them into my flashlights. I plugged them into my Chromebook. You know, all these different things. And after I started plugging them in several things, I never even once thought about having an issue. And you can see this is very well made. It's sturdy, it's solid, and quite strong. And we got some branding here. Yep, Magtame right here. Looks very nice. You know, and this has just been, I can't stress how fun it's been to use these. Now this is like the nylon coating, you know, for the magnets. Now what I do really like is this is a fairly low strength magnetic field that it produces. So, you know, I found it's not really interfering with anything. It didn't interfere with my phone, hasn't interfered with my watch. And, you know, I can appreciate that. I've seen some other ones that are quite strong and you can literally tell that it's going to be a problem. Now, as you can see, I'm pulling it out and just goes right back together. It's great. It's a lot of fun. You know, if you're someone that likes to fidget with something, you're just going to love this. And you can just sit here and you can just make it as perfect as you want. You know, I'm using it as a little armband there. You know, if you just got to get up and take off and you're going to run out to the car, you can just slip it on your arm and there you go. Now, these do come in different colors and sizes and lengths, and they do have different wattages available and data transfer rates available. So, you know, whatever, you know, you need that they're going to have when you go to pick it out and order it, which is really good. You have more options than just one, you know, type of cable, which is great. Now, this is one of the features here that I want to show you guys. So a lot of times when me and my wife are traveling, either going back and forth to work or just whatever we're out doing, you know, we went out to Sam's Club, you know, did some shopping and stuff. Our phones were getting low. I don't have to wait anymore for her phone to charge. We just plug them both in, boom, they both charge together, but these are coiled together. And I got to the point to where it was just coiling up together. Now I'm turning these so they're oriented right. And then once you got it together, look at it. It's a nice tidy package. They're strung together. I mean, it's super, super nice. I mean, it's very, very practical. I did have a lot of fun using these. And as I used them more, I just realized how useful they actually are. Now you can just let it coil back up to its original size, and then you can, you know, kind of hand wind it and tighten it up. You know, so like if you want to throw them in your purse or your backpack or in your pocket, you can, you know, draw it up even tighter so it's more of a compact fit, which was super nice. Really did enjoy doing that more and more and more. As you can see, I'm going to kind of coil it up a little bit tighter here. And you can really just determine the size that you need. If you need it for your wrist, you can open it up. If it's going in your backpack. Now this is a north-south type of magnet field, so when you're hooking it up or as it's coiling up and you put two of them together, you'll feel the magnets pushing away or pulling together, so you'll need to orientate them in the correct direction. But overall, it feels really good. Now with this being the nylon feel to it, it still feels really solid. It doesn't feel like it's like plastic and it's gonna break, and your hands feel comfortable on there. There's no sharp edges, no sharp metal or anything like that. So that was really good to experience, not have to worry about it breaking apart or cutting or anything like that. So that was really good. And these things they stack so perfectly. Look at this, it's like perfect. You could leave it on your desk, leave it in the kitchen. So I got into a habit of charging my phone in the kitchen a lot. So I have a plug there and an outlet. And I probably got 4 different cables, for the watch, flashlight, phone, charger, all that stuff. So just pulled them all out and used these two, covered all my needs. Just like that. Now here I'm going to coil it up a little bit tighter. You can see just how nice it looks coiled up. And it holds its shape even when it's that tight. It's really good. I do recommend this product to y'all. I think it'd be a good addition to anyone that's has to deal with cables every day. This is super nice. Look at this. And there's the magnetic field pushing away from it. It's kind of hard to show on video, but it is there and you'll feel it. You'll know which way you have to click them together. If y'all's liking this content, please give us a like and a subscribe. It really does help the channel out. As you can see, it's kind of like trying to push it away. You can just kind of see it's pushing it. It's pretty interesting. Now I'm going to leave some product links below, and make sure you look out for discounts on them. As it's coiled up, it's kind of got like a weird feel on it. Now, these products are really good for charging your phone and really good for cable management, storage. Really easy to take with you on the go. So, I think it'd be a good addition to anyone's house. I'll probably be buying these and giving them out as gifts. And I think it'd be great for most everyone in my family, because everyone's on the smartphone and that's probably what you want to use it for. Now, if this is you, I just kind of want to show this. I've seen so many people I open like a drawer, at work, or I'm over at other people's homes. I see their cable management and I'm like, oh my gosh. And just like this, you can have this cable management just like this. You have 4 or 5 or 6 of them, just have them stacked, ready to go. And when you're done, it coils up so quickly, and there's no messing, no fuss. Well, I really do appreciate y'all watching this, and until next time, we will see you later.